So as you can see, I've generated $1,055 just by watching prepaid promotional videos from various world advertisers. And the best thing about this particular site is that apart from earning from watching our videos, you can also get extra rewards. As you can see, extra reward 1 and 2. And looking at this screenshot, someone just generated $2,000 from Bitcoin. I mean, this is amazing. And just going down, you can see complete a user survey and get $10 US. I mean, this is crazy. The surveys are very easy for you to answer, and so all you need to do is just quickly fill them out and you get your $10 for free. And looking at the referrals too, I got 30 referrals and I've generated $790. I mean, this is amazing. These $790 from referrals come as a result of the fact that if you refer a single person, you gain 40% of their earnings into your account. So with respect to the referrals, I'm going to show you a unique strategy which you need to implement to get hundreds of referrals and start making big money online. So first, to get started, go onto your browser and search video earning. When this page pops up, then next click on sign up. Then you write your username, email address, the strong password, and you click on sign up. Wow, so as you can see, just by signing up, I've earned $10 US. Now let's click on OK. But before I show you how to watch videos and get paid instant on this particular site, how to optimize the referrals, first, then look at the user reviews of this particular site. So click on main, then just quickly scroll down. You can see user reviews. These are the reviews of this particular site. As you can see, they're all positive. Just click on write a feedback to see more of the reviews. So just scrolling down, you can see there are a lot of reviews of this particular site, and all of them are all positive. I mean, believe me guys, this site is legit. Now let's go back to the main page. Then just scrolling down, we can also see the payments which people are already receiving on this particular site. As you can see, the first guy just cashed out $881 and the other person just cashed out $793. The other person $681. Just click on show more to see how much people are actually receiving on this particular site. People are receiving tons of money on this particular site. So believe me, this is legit. Just follow with me and I'm going to show you a unique strategy which can even multiply more of that just by using the referrals. Now back in our dashboard, to get started, let's go watch paid videos. Now just scrolling down, you can see these are the videos that are available for us to watch. I'm saying available because all the time they keep updating you. And of course, you can also click on show more to see more of the videos. Now let's click on this where it says if you watch this particular video, you're going to earn $54.11. So let's click on this. So this is the video. Just scrolling down, you can see the number of seconds that are left for the video to finish. So just make sure that it runs down to 0. And of course, you must not sit and watch the video. You just need to make sure that the video plays up to the end. So when the video is done playing, what you need to do next is just to click on add to account. Wow, so as you can see, $54 are added to our account balance. So all you need to do is just to click on OK. Now as you can see, our account balance is now $64.11. So it's that easy. All what you need to do is to watch the paid videos as much as possible to maximize your earning. Now apart from watching paid videos, this site also offers extra rewards. As you can see, extra reward 1 and extra reward 2. Now let's click on extra reward 1. So as you can see, it's an online test titled by Will You Make a Great Career Online and Become a Millionaire by 2023. Take this quick test and find out how you can make more money on the internet. I mean, this is crazy. All what you need to do is just to answer the few questions and it's going to provide more profitable ways for you to make money online. As you can see, people are giving out comments, congratulations and thanking them for this opportunity. Now let's click on extra reward 2. So extra reward 2 is just based on helping you to identify and focus on your strength, understand your risks and actions, and improve relationships with other people. Now just below extra reward 2, you can see complete that survey and get $10 US. These surveys are very easy for you to go through, and just in a matter of minutes you'll be able to generate $10 US for free. Now talking about referrals, my favorite part of making money on this particular site, because just referring a single person, you get 40% of their earnings into your account. Now we see a unique strategy. You can get hundreds of people clicking on your referral link. So first, to get started, go on to Facebook and log into your account. There you go to the search bar and search make money online. So you're going to see several groups that are based on that topic. So you need to join the groups as much as possible. Now as you can see, I've joined these other groups already. Let me just click on the first one. So this group is all make money online. That means people are actually available to people are actually interested in making money online. The best thing about this type of group is that the post in the groups are so engaging. For example, look at this post here having 99 comments. Just scrolling like and see another post here, 125 comments posted just some few hours ago. Now we show you how to use your referrals to make money using this particular group. So how do we go about that? The first thing you do is you need to go out to write something. Then we create a post. So this is what you're gonna be writing. Earn $500 per day just by watching promotional videos. Ask how and I'll send you the link. Believe me, just with this, just by creating this post and posting it, you are going to have hundreds of comments just down below and people are going to be texting how. All you need to do is just to go back to our dashboard and copy the referral link. Then you come back and send it on to them. And remember, just referring a single person, you get 40% of their earnings into your account. So please make sure you take this process for at least 10 different Facebook groups that are having over 10,000 members. Now upon sharing your referral link to your Facebook groups, you can also share them to your social media status like WhatsApp, Telegram, and of course you can also tweet it on Twitter, which is popular now known as X. Now lastly, talking about how to withdraw your money from your account. So as you can see here, we have withdraw money, so just click on it. So as you can see, there are several options for you to use to withdraw your money. I mean, my favorite is PayPal, so you can use PayPal, you can use your MasterCard, Bitcoin, phone bill, Western Union, and so much more. That brings us to the end of this video. Please smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos about making money online.